Hi everyone and welcome to Himas Academy. Today I'll show you how to make a simple calculator app. This is how our application will look like after we're done. First I have to enter two numbers, 78 and 93. If I want, I can add, subtract, multiply and divide. When I add, my answer is 171. When I subtract, my answer is -15. When I multiply, my answer is 7,254. And when I divide, this is my answer. Now I'll show you how to code this. First, I open code.org and open App Lab. Now I'll go into the Design tab and select a theme first. For this, I'll keep the theme as dark scheme. First, I need a label, so I'll drag and place a label onto my screen. I'll adjust this label so that it fits the top of my screen. Now, I want this label name to be LBX in result. Then I want my text to be enter two numbers. Then I'll set the text alignment to center and I'll increase the font size. Then I need a text input to input my text. So first I'll get one text input and change the size. Now at the top there's delete and duplicate. I'll click on duplicate. This will make another copy of the text box, and now I have to change my text label and ID. For this, it'll be text input 1. For the second, it'll be txt input 2. Next I need 4 buttons, so I'll get one button. I'll change my name to btn add. Since this is going to be add, I'll change the text to plus. Then I'll set the alignment to center and I'll increase the font size. Next, I'll duplicate this. I'll duplicate this 4 times. Now for the second one, I'll enter the ID btn subtract. and the text will be minus. For the third, I'll enter btn multiply. And the text will be multiplication symbol. For my fourth button, the ID will be btn divide. My text will be the divide symbol. Now I have designed this, I'll start coding. First I'll get 4 on event blocks for the 4 buttons. Each button will have a different code. When btn add is clicked for the first one, then btn subtract, btn multiply, and btn divide. Now I need to set the number of the label. It's not the set text block. The set text sets the text, but I need to set the number. So I'll get the set number block and place it for every button. I need to set the number of LBX result. So I'll enter LBX result for every button. I need to set the number to the answer. So when I click add, it has to add the numbers from the text input 1 plus text input 2. So I'll go into the math tab and get the add operator and place it in the place of 0. For the second, I'll get minus. For the third, I'll get multiply, and the fourth, I'll get divide. I need to get the number from the text inputs, so I'll get the get number block. Now I got all my get number blocks. Now I have to enter where I need to get the number from. For the first, text input 1, because first is 1, and then text input 2. I'll get text input 1 and text input 2 again, and I'll do this 2 more times. This is how you code your calculator. Now I'll test it. I'll click run. First, for the first blank, I'll enter 78. For the second blank, I'll enter 43. When I click plus, it will set the text of this label to text input 1 plus text input 2. This is my answer, 121. When I click subtract, it will get the numbers from text input 1 and 2. This is my answer, 35. When I multiply, I get 3,354. And when I divide, I get this number. This is how you make your calculator using JavaScript. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. If you haven't watched my previous videos, do please watch them.